Today, I'm teaching you guys how we guys can restore your Snapchat streak. So it's pretty simple. After opening Snapchat, just click on your little Bitmoji or your profile picture at the top left, and then at the top right, there's going to be the setting icon. Click on it, and inside a setting, scroll all the way down. Click on red, says I need help. Once you do that, it's going to take you to Snapchat support page. And the second option is basically, I lost my Snap streak. Click on it, and it's going to show you the process on how you guys can recover it. So it shows you the second option, I lost my Snap streak. How do I recover it? Click on it, and it's going to show you the solution and how you guys can do it. As you guys can see, it even shows you a video right beside your friend icon. There is going to be a little fire looking icon. If you click on that fire looking icon, then you can restore it. But there's a little, trick up Snapchat sleep. You can only recover or restore your Snapchat streak once for free. If you have already restored your streak once for free, then you cannot do that. You need to pay 99 cents in order to do that. As you guys can see, it's even showing over here for first. You can recover it for free for once. But after that, you need to pay 99 cents to do that. So if you have one free trial left, then you can basically do whatever is shown in the video over here and restore the streak. But if you have already used that free trial, then you need to pay for it. But yeah, that is the only way on how you guys can restore your Snapchat streak. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.